In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank rules in QuickBooks Online. Bank rules are a powerful way to save time and keep your books consistent by letting QuickBooks automatically categorize certain types of bank transactions for you. Let's start by creating a new rule. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings menu, which is the little gear icon in the upper right corner. From there, select Rules. This takes you to the Bank Rules page. Click on New Rule to begin. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize what it does later. For example, something that reflects the vendor or type of expense or income. Next, choose whether this rule applies to money in or money out. Money in is for income or deposits, and money out is for expenses and payments. Then, choose which bank account this rule should apply to from the In drop-down, or select all bank accounts if you want the rule to work across every connected account. Now, it's time to set the rule conditions. These conditions tell QuickBooks which transactions should trigger the rule. You can add up to 5 conditions. For each one, first decide what part of the transaction you want QuickBooks to look at: the description, the bank text, or the amount. Then choose the type of condition, such as contains, doesn't contain, or is exactly. Finally, type in the specific text or the exact amount that should match. For example, you might use contains, and then a common vendor name from your bank feed. The more specific and consistent your conditions are, the more accurate your rules will be. Once your conditions are set, scroll to the Assign section. This is where you tell QuickBooks how to categorize any transactions that meet those conditions. Choose the appropriate transaction type, such as deposit, expense, or transfer. Then pick a category from your chart of accounts, like a specific expense or income account. You can also fill in optional details such as payee, product or service, tags, and tax, depending on how detailed you want your reporting to be. If a transaction should be divided between multiple accounts, you can choose to split it by percentage or by specific amounts, which is handy for recurring mixed expenses. When everything looks good, click Save to create your rule. From now on, QuickBooks will automatically apply it to new transactions that meet the criteria. In your bank transactions list, you'll see a small rule badge next to any transaction that was categorized using a rule. You can accept these transactions as they are, or if something doesn't look right, you can go back to Banking, then Rules, to review and adjust your setup. On the Rules page, you can edit, disable, or delete rules at any time, giving you full control as your business changes.